Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and whenever you're making candles, there always seems to be a little wax left over. So that's why I love having these WF+ tea light containers. They are so nice to have because especially when you have a batch and you've put color, essential oils in it, you don't want to waste that wax. It's expensive. So I like having tea lights ready on the side. It comes with its own little wick that you can just put a little tab in there and stick it in. It's nice because now this extra wax that you have, you can pour them in and then have extra bonus tea lights, which makes a nice extra bonus gift. Or if you're selling them, that's a nice add that you can have to the package. It didn't cost you any more money to make it. It's perfect, and then it makes your customers happy. They do get bent because they're made of aluminum. They reshape very easily. The wick works very well with any types of wax. So I think they are a great option for anybody that likes to make candles. And that's my point of view.